So I'm Arundhati and I stay in Delhi. I work as a lawyer in Delhi with a small law firm. My area of specialty is usually technology and data privacy.
And what do you think is like what happens when we travel in a broader perspective and in a personal level?
Broader perspective, definitely you get an understanding which I feel not a lot of people would have, that everybody has a life and a very different kind of life from you. So it's very important to understand where they're coming from. Like for example, I can't be in Mankulam and it's a small village and smoking a cigarette. Nobody's seen a woman smoke a cigarette over there. So that is something probably you will never do, and you should be mindful of that, right? So traveling definitely makes you more mindful, more aware of things around you, how they're actually impacting things ground level. And this is not just from a personal level, it's also from a very developmental level. Like if we want to develop as a person, I feel it's very important to travel, and travel to as many places obviously as you can, and appreciate the bad experiences as well, because not every trip is going to be perfect. That when I travel, I love the autonomy of it, I love the freedom and the exposure of it, I love how kind people are and how nasty people are also. Like it goes both ways. So everything is a learning experience. If you come in with the colored opinion, this place was supposed to be like this, why is that place supposed to be anything? It's not. You are supposed to adapt to that place. So it teaches you adaptability.